Take a look at this interface, reorganizing its own layout based on user behavior. Right now, over 80% of mobile apps integrate AI, but apps that execute true AI-driven personalization are seeing up to a 40% higher retention rate. The problem is how developers approach the build. Teams that treat AI as a feature to add at the end, rather than a foundation to design from the beginning, end up rebuilding up to 40% of their application post-launch. To avoid that, we are going to build an 8-step architectural blueprint. Grab a whiteboard or a notepad, and let's map this out together. Following a specific, pre-planned architecture is the deciding factor between an application that succeeds on day one and one that collapses under runaway API costs shortly after launch. Step 1. Define the problem. Write down a strict, measurable outcome statement instead of a generic AI feature request. On this layout, you can see the difference. Add intelligent search is vague and unhelpful. We cross that out and replace it with reduce time to find the right product from 4 minutes to under 30 seconds. That gives us a precise metric to hit. Step 2 is auditing your existing data. Note what user data you collect, its format, the overall volume, and your labeled behavioral event logs. Identifying data gaps now is mandatory. If you train an AI without the right behavioral logs, the model will fail upon launch. Step 3. Model selection. This flowchart maps 3 paths: multimodal APIs, on-device models, and custom models. Multimodal APIs cover 80% of cases. On-device models guarantee privacy and zero latency. But look closely at custom models. Choosing them without proprietary data adds up to 5 times development time. Step 4 is designing the AI experience. On your notepad, sketch out the 3 specific user interface states required for a functional AI integration. These mock-ups illustrate those required states. You need a clear processing indicator so the user knows the AI is working, a graceful fallback screen for when the model's confidence is low, and an accessible user override button to correct AI decisions. Step 5. Building the integration layer. This diagram shows a structural buffer placed directly between your mobile app UI and the backend APIs. This layer has 3 mandatory jobs: managing prompt versioning, caching responses to lower costs, and executing fallback logic if APIs fail. Isolating these functions within a dedicated integration layer prevents AI calls from scattering throughout your codebase. It ensures your application remains maintainable at scale. Step 6 is the build phase. Select a cross-platform framework like Flutter or React Native to construct the non-AI scaffolding of your application. Once the scaffolding is ready, use feature flags to ship your AI capabilities dark. This allows you to test the intelligence on a strict, isolated 5% of your user base before a full rollout. Step 7 is quality assurance. Your QA framework requires automated accuracy scoring after every model update, as well as adversarial test cases designed to push the AI with edge inputs. Watch the internal gears of this machine corroding while the outside looks fine. Standard bug testing is dangerously insufficient for AI because model quality degrades silently over time, making specific evaluation frameworks a necessity. Step 8 is deployment. Plan your post-launch infrastructure right now by setting up real-time performance dashboards and a pipeline for A/B testing your prompt variations. Setting up this continuous monitoring and retraining loop from day one creates a compounding data flywheel. This is the exact mechanism that drives long-term user retention. Here is your completed 8-step architectural blueprint. You now have a documented plan covering data definition, precise model selection, a fail-safe user experience, and specialized AI quality assurance. With download growth slowing, user retention is the primary growth metric for 2026. This specific architecture gives your app the ability to predict user needs and maintain their engagement over the long term. If you need this roadmap customized for your specific use case or require an expert enterprise development partner, reach out to Open Space Services. Treating AI as a foundational architectural decision rather than an afterthought builds compounding advantages. This is how developers will secure and hold market share moving forward.